everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today's recipe is Panch Foron Murgi or Bengali 5-spice chicken curry. The Panch Foron adds beautiful depth to the easy chicken curry. It's spicy but not too hot. So let's get started with the recipe.
Panch Foron or 5 spices is a whole spice blend originating from the Indian subcontinent. Used especially in the cuisine of Bengal, Bangladesh, Assam, Nepal, Orissa. Panch means 5, Foron means tempering or seasoning. All of the spices in Panch Foron are seeds. Typically, it consists of fenugreek seed, that is methi, nigella seed, that is kalonji or kalo jire, cumin seed, that is jeera, black mustard seed, that is rai or shorshe, fennel seed, that is mohri or sauf. They are in equal portions. In Bengal, Panch Foron is made of radhuni instead of black mustard seeds or kalo shorshe. Panch Foron is used to temper dals, vegetables and chutneys. Today I have used Bengali 5 spices for this recipe. Let's check the ingredients to make Panch Foron Murgi or Bengali 5 spices chicken. Wash and clean chicken pieces 500 grams, mustard oil 4 tablespoons, chopped onions 1 cup, chopped tomato half cup, 5 spices or Panch Foron 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander or dhania powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric or haldi powder half tablespoon, lime juice 1 tablespoon, ginger and garlic paste 1 tablespoon. I have taken half tablespoon ginger paste and half tablespoon garlic paste. Chopped green chili 4 pieces, salt 1 teaspoon, sugar half teaspoon. Now let's prepare the marinade. Add all the ingredients in a mixing bowl. Mix well till evenly combined. If you are not familiar with the taste of mustard oil and 5 spices, that is Panch Foron, I will definitely recommend making this chicken recipe. The marinade is ready now. Place the chicken pieces and mix well with this marinade. Now leave it to rest for 30 minutes. Now heat 2 tablespoons mustard oil in a pan till smoking hot. Reduce the flame to medium and add 1 teaspoon Panch Foron. Let them splutter for few seconds and then add chopped green chilies. Again wait for a minute and add chopped tomatoes. Saute them well till the tomatoes become soft. Now stir in the marinated chicken. Mix well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between. Keep the flame low or medium. Do not add any water. Time to check after 10 minutes. Stir the mixture very well. Cover and cook in the same way for another 10 minutes. or until the moisture is evaporated and the chicken is cooked in its own juice. Again, after 10 minutes, remove the lid. See, oil is separated. Adjust salt if necessary and add 1 cup of water or more. I added 1 cup warm water and half teaspoon salt. This curry leaves a distinctly nice aroma which is little achari and sizzling. Cook for a couple of minutes till your desired gravy consistency is achieved. Give the recipe 10 minutes standing time and enjoy it with roti or rice. Dear friends, if you enjoy the recipe, give it a like, share, comment and feel free to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Till then, bye.